Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some exciting news for each and every one of you. Now tomorrow is going to be the start of the Hindu festival known as Navratri. Now for anybody who doesn't know what Navratri is the Hindu festival dedicated to goddess Durga. Navratri literally translates to 9 nights dedicated to the goddess Durga. For anybody who doesn't know who Mother Durga is, she is the main goddess in the Hindu pantheon, and she is the all-powerful goddess who embodies Shakti, or that power or the energy. It is believed that Mother Durga was created out of the collective energies and collective items from the different Hindu gods and goddesses, which is the reason why she is known to be so powerful. It is believed that whoever prays to Mother Durga will always have protection in their life. They will be blessed with happiness, with joy. Throughout these 9 nights of Navratri, usually Hindus all around the world will celebrate by having pujas dedicated to Mother Durga and the different Hindu gods and goddesses. They will make homemade sweets, parsad, lots of different vegetarian food items, and of course they will spend this time with family, close friends. They will get dressed up and they will spend their time in mandirs, at their home altars. So the exciting news that I have for you all here is that I'm going to be doing a 9 nights of Navratri here on my channel. So starting tomorrow and all of the 9 days after that, I'm going to be sharing a new recipe every day. Now the lineup of recipes that I have, they are super delicious, they are amazing. So you're all always asking me for things that are a little bit different, a little bit out of the ordinary. And of course, I kept some of the traditional things that we usually make during Navratri in my final lineup. So if you want to see all of these amazing videos that I have prepared for you all, then please go ahead and hit that bell notification icon that's right next to the subscribe button. So this way, when you subscribe, you'll never miss out on any of my newest videos. And every night, you'll be notified when I post one of the new videos. So I definitely hope you all stay tuned and you check out all these amazing recipes that I have, because for all of you out there that have been requesting certain recipes, especially dessert or sweets recipes, I will have them posted in the next couple of days. Now, without further ado, I also have another set of exciting news for you all. I'm going to be bringing awareness to another small Indo-Caribbean owned business. This business right here is called Dharma Dolls. Now, for anybody who doesn't know what Dharma Dolls is, they are a new company and they specialize in plush dolls for children. Now, this right here is their debut product. This is their Mother Durga doll. And as you all can see, it is a pretty cool item, especially for kids. If you want to give a gift that is traditional and it pertains to their culture, then this is definitely something that you can gift to a little kid. Not only does it look appealing for them, but it will also incline them to learn more about their religion, their culture, and their family traditions. So the Dharma Dolls family left a little note in my package today. So I just wanted to share it with you guys because I like this little postcard that they made with all of their information and all of their different notes that they have on there and a nice picture of their Mother Durga doll. They said, "Matthew, you are an inspiration to all. Thank you for sharing your passion with the world. Looking forward to collaborating with you again. We pray Devi Ma continues to shower her blessings upon you. Love always, the Dharma Dolls family." So this was so sweet of them. Thank you for sending me this item today to show with all of my YouTube family. For all of my Hindus out there, this gift right here is definitely something that is very sweet to share with a little kid or somebody that you may know. And with all of that said, I just wanted to share a little bit about their business. So Dharma Dolls is a children's brand dedicated to creating and continuing traditions of yesteryear, a way for all ages to connect through devotion. Dharma Dolls is a plush brand designed to bring comfort and aid and enlightenment through our simple yet realistic depictions of Bhagwan with divine Vedic chants and mantras that make the experience of learning pure bliss. We created this company through our love, sadhana, and dedication to God. We hope your Dharma Dolls bring joy, beautiful memories for you and your dearest. With love, Dharma Dolls. So with that said, I'm gonna have all of their information in my description box right below this video, which means I will have the link to their Amazon because recently they've been made available for purchase on Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, that is free 2-day shipping. Of course, I'll leave their own website and you can purchase this product directly from the website. And they wanted me to let you all know that very soon they're going to be unloading some new products. And the last thing that I wanted to share is that this Mother Durga doll comes with sound and there are little prayers that are read. So if you all enjoyed this video today, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and drop those comments. Stay tuned for my 9 nights of Navratri and check out Dharma Dolls.